Hi, this is Aaron at LockNLube, and today we're going to talk about coupler maintenance. Coupler maintenance is something that you need to do a couple times a year just to make sure the seal kit inside of the coupler assembly is clean and well maintained. So for this project, what we need is our gun, coupler. We need something to place gasoline in because we're going to use the gasoline to actually clean out the inner seal kit. And we're going to go ahead and do that right now. We want a nice clean workspace. That way we have access to everything that we need. So we need just enough to actually submerge the tip of our grease coupler in the gasoline. And that way we can actually pump grease to actually help lubricate the inside of that seal kit. For this, I'm using an extra long grease coupler. Works with the same with the standard. So what we're gonna do is submerge and hold on to it because the hose itself can potentially flip the glass over. So we're going to pick up, push down, and you'll start to see some of the grease actually come out. And we want to do this until we have clean grease come all the way through. So we have a new tube of grease in this. And we're going to keep doing this process until we have new grease come out. So by doing this with the gasoline, it removes any dirt or grime that's built up inside of the coupler, and it helps extend the life of the coupler. Okay, I'm starting to see new grease come out. We'll see that the actual gasoline breaks down the grease on this coupler, and we have new fresh grease coming out of this. Okay, so that's all there is to it. We're gonna wipe this off. And now our coupler is clean. It's gotten any debris that could be wedged in there. It's got that out. And you're ready to get back at work. Thanks for watching.